Hey you guys, it's Itsjustnene here, back with another glitter tutorial. And since you clicked on this video, that means you liked what you see. Go ahead and like. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe and stick around. So as usual, we're starting with our LOUISE base in 0. And now I just went in with a black shadow, and I'm just gonna form my cut crease with the eyeshadow. And I'm just taking this small brush and I'm just tapping that above my crease. Now I'm going in my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna take that like violet color. It's like a pink, dark pink. And I'm just gonna put that above the black with another like small brush, and I'm just gonna tap that right above it, and then I'll go in with a shader brush to blend it all out together. Also, you want to be careful, like with black, it's like you just got to be careful. You got to work with small brushes. There's like work with small brushes when you're adding more than 2 colors. So now I'm going back in with the black, and I'm just blending the pink and the black together. This takes time, you guys, so it's a lot of blending going on for a long time. So it was a lot of editing in this video. Okay, so go ahead and blend that all out. Now we're gonna go back into the palette, and we're gonna get that lighter pink. It's like a hot pink, and I took like a small blending crease brush, and we're just gonna put that right on top of the darker pink that we used, and we're just gonna tap for now just to get the color on there, so that we can work with it and blend the pink and the lighter pink together. And now I'm going in with a shader brush because I want the black shadow and the darker pink to blend so it doesn't give off a harsh line. And now I'm just going back and forth with the colors, and I also went in with a clean crease brush to diffuse the hot pink above. I don't want it too close to my brows. So this is how it should look, you guys. And you know, it's that blending game. You just gotta blend. So now I'm going in with LOUISE base, and I'm just cleaning up. I'm just cleaning it up right now so I can create this winged eyeshadow. And you want to take your time when you're doing this, because it took me a long time, and like I like to perfect my cut creases. I don't like to have like it may not look perfect because I can see the difference, but you know, you just do what you got to do. You know what I'm saying? Just keep on trying. Don't give up. It's not going to be perfect the first time, but yeah. So now I'm going back in with this black shadow from my 35B palette, and I'm just creating the liner, like the wing shaped, and I'm adding the same colors that I used above. And now I'm just going in with this thinner brush to I don't want the shadows to like take away that white base, so I'm trying so hard just to keep it there. So I went in with a white shadow, and I'm just gonna keep on blending, making sure everything's diffused. And yeah, just keep on blending. So I went off camera and I didn't know exactly what I was gonna go for. So I went in with this, it's called Desert Rose from Glow Up Academy. It's a pigment, and I literally put that on top of the white shadow. And then I went in with Sweet 16 from the same person, Glow Up Academy, chunky glitter, and I just put that right on top. Thought it was cute. So now I'm just going back in with the same shades. You know, you don't want the shades to disappear, so you gotta make sure you just go back in and make all the shades come back again. So now I'm going in my neon pigments, and I just put that, what is that, the yellow green in the tear duct area. Thought it was really cute. Now I popped on some lashes, some 25 mm, and now I'm going in with MAC Studio SCULPT foundation and NC50. This foundation is for people with dry skin, and I have really really bad dry skin. So yeah. And now I'm going in with Born This Way in Mocha. Also, I went in with Tarte in Deep and Tarte in Tan Deep Sand. And I'm just using my Real Technique highlighting brush, and I'm just blending out the edges of my concealer as usual. Going in with NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm just gonna pop those right under my waterlines, make them pop. And I'm just using my brush just to tap in my concealer. Also, you guys, the contour is black opal, and my foundation stick that I always use in ebony. And I'm just blending out my contour and shaping this face up. I went back in with some more concealer because I felt like it was not enough for me under the eyes, so I went back in with some more, and I'm just tapping that right underneath the eyes just to brighten it up a little bit more. Now I'm going back into the palette, and I'm taking that blue, and I'm going to take this angled brush, and I'm going to take the blue shadow and literally lay it right on top of the NYX liner, the white liner. And it's not on it, but it's kind of on it basically. Now I'm going in with Black Radiance contour palette, and I am contouring. And now I'm taking some Laura Mercier and Topaz mix, and I'm just carving out my contour. Now I'm going in with MAC and Dark Deep as my face powder, and I'm just setting that all over my skin. Now I'm going in with Morphe setting mist, and I'm taking the same brush and I'm tapping that into the skin. I also went in with Spark, Morphe's highlighter, and Dose of Colors Royal Hotness mixed. Now I'm going in with this brown pencil. I think it's in cocoa or dark brown, I'm not sure. Then I went in with this another lip pencil is Auburn, and I just blended those together. And then I went in with that lipstick. I forgot what it was called, but I'll have it listed down below. And that one I went in, I forgot that one. But this one is Honey I'm Home from Dose of Colors. And this is the finished look, you guys. I just put on a gloss, and this is also a video from my phone. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vid. Bye.